College versus university. The truth you didn't know. Imagine this. Two students, Arjun and Sam, graduate from high school. Arjun joins a university while Sam chooses a college. Fast forward 5 years. Arjun is working at a multinational company, while Sam, skilled in IT, finds it harder to land a corporate job. Why? You've always heard that a university degree is better, but is that really the truth? We tend to think of college and university as interchangeable, but they're not. Choosing between the two can feel as confusing as trying to pick a favorite biryani. There are just too many factors to consider, and the stakes are high because this decision could shape your entire future. So, today, let's uncover the real difference between college and university, and how your career depends on making the right choice. Okay, first things first. In Nepal, when we say college, we mean higher education. But did you know that in different countries, college and university mean completely different things? In the US, college usually refers to smaller institutions that primarily offer undergraduate degrees. You know, those 4-year programs you start after high school. Think liberal arts colleges or community colleges. They're known for their close-knit communities and personalized attention from professors. Universities in the US are like giant academic cities. They offer both undergraduate and postgraduate degrees. That means you can stick around after your bachelor's for a master's or even a doctorate. Now let's hop across the pond to the UK. Here, the terms are a bit more intertwined. A college can be part of a larger university, focusing on specific subjects or serving as a stepping stone to university-level study. Confused yet? Don't worry, it's not just you. The terms can be super confusing, and to make matters worse, some countries use them interchangeably. But here's the key takeaway. Don't get hung up on the labels. What matters is the specific program, the reputation of the institution, and what you want to achieve. Are you dreaming of groundbreaking research in a cutting-edge lab? A university might be your perfect fit, or maybe you thrive in smaller classes with more hands-on learning. A specialized college could be your perfect match. It's all about finding the right fit for your academic goals and learning style. But hey, we're not done yet. This confusion about college versus university brings up a crucial question. What about job prospects? Do employers care if your degree says college or university? That, my friends, is the million-dollar question, or maybe the million-rupee question, and we're going to tackle it head-on in our next chapter. Now, the biggest question, where do students have better career opportunities? Do universities always guarantee jobs, or can a college degree be enough? This is where things get really interesting. You see, it's not as simple as saying, university equals job, college equals struggle bus. The truth is far more nuanced, like a perfectly spiced biryani. Let's start with universities. Yes, they often have dedicated placement cells, strong alumni networks, and those big-name companies lining up at career fairs. A degree from a prestigious university can open doors and make your resume stand out in a stack of applications. Plus, those research opportunities and internships, they're like gold dust on your CV. But hold on, colleges aren't out of the race just yet. Remember how we talked about specialized colleges? Well, they often have super strong ties to specific industries. Think about it. A college known for its stellar IT program is going to have recruiters from top tech companies knocking down their door. They are looking for job-ready graduates with the exact skills they need. And here's the real kicker. In today's job market, skills are king. Employers want to know what you can do, not just where you studied. So whether you're learning the latest coding languages at a specialized college or conducting groundbreaking research at a university, focus on building a strong skill set that makes you indispensable. Networking, internships, personal projects, these are your secret weapons in the job hunt. Don't be afraid to reach out to people in your field, build connections, and showcase your passion. Remember, a degree is just a piece of paper. It's your skills, experience, and drive that will ultimately land you your dream job. But wait, there's more. We've tackled the job market, but what about the bigger picture? What about your personal and intellectual growth? Which learning environment is best suited for you? That's a whole other can of worms, or should I say, a whole other plate of biryani, that we'll be digging into in our final chapter. So, is a university degree always better than a college degree? The answer is, it depends. It's like asking if samosas are better than biryani. It all comes down to personal preference. Are you someone who thrives in a bustling environment with diverse academic offerings, even if it means navigating a massive campus and competing with thousands of students? A university might just be your academic haven. You'll be surrounded by cutting-edge research, world-renowned professors, and endless opportunities to expand your intellectual horizons. Or perhaps you flourish in a smaller, more intimate setting where professors know your name and you can actually grab a seat in the library. A college, especially one with a specialized focus, might be more your speed. You'll benefit from personalized attention, hands-on learning experiences, and a tight-knit community that feels like a second family. Ultimately, the better option depends entirely on you, your learning style, your career aspirations, and your personal preferences. Do your research, visit campuses, talk to current students, and really envision yourself in each environment. Think about it this way. Choosing between a college and a university is like choosing between two delicious flavors of ice cream. One isn't inherently better than the other. It all comes down to what your taste buds, or in this case your academic goals, are craving. Remember, your educational journey is uniquely yours. Don't let societal pressures or preconceived notions dictate your path. Choose the path that excites you, challenges you, and sets you up for success, whether it leads you to the hallowed halls of a renowned university or the specialized classrooms of a renowned college. Because ultimately, the most valuable degree isn't the one with the fanciest name or the biggest reputation, it's the one you earn with passion, dedication, and a genuine thirst for knowledge. So go out there, explore your options, and make the choice that feels right for you. Now tell me, what do you think is more valuable, a skill-based college diploma or a research-heavy university education? Let me know in the comments. This isn't just about Arjun and Sam, it's about all of us figuring out our own paths in a world with endless possibilities. And trust me, the more we learn about these choices, the less scary they become. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.